Hello everyone. Today we are going to walk you through how to pay your bills and send out remittance advice in Xero. Let's dive into the video. First, let's record the payment. There are two ways to do this, the manual way and the start with how to pay for a single bill. First, find the bill you want to pay. To do that, head over to the purchases and select bills. Once you have found the right one, go ahead and click to open the bill. Then scroll down to the bottom. Here you will enter the date paid and bank account you used and a reference number. I usually just put their reference number as invoice number, so it's easy to track. Then click add payment. Now you are all done. If you are paying for a few suppliers at once, you don't want to do this one by one. That's where batch payments comes in. Let's try it out. When you go for the bills to pay screen, you will see all the waiting payment bills here. On the left side, you will see checkboxes next to your bills. Carefully select the ones you want to pay. You will notice that as you check them, the batch payment button at the top will turn bright blue. Once you have picked the bills, click batch payment. Now Xero is going to group these into one single transaction for your bank records. Now you can see in the top left corner, there are two boxes where you can enter the payment date and the bank account you are paying from. Just take a quick look at the table to make sure you have entered your supplier's bank account information accurately. Then you can OK. You can send remittances for the batch payments here. Also, you can go to the Paid tab and send remittances. Now you can see all paid bills under the paid option here. So now we are moving to send remittance for our supplier. This is the bill I paid just a moment ago. As you can see, the amount due is now 0 because it's fully paid. Right here, you will see the payment link. Go ahead and click that. Just head up to the options button at the top right and select send remittance. Before you hit that final button, just double check the supplier's email address to make sure it's going to the right place. Also, you can even add a quick personal note if you'd like. Once you're happy with that, just hit send. Now we are all set. That's all about payment procedure and remittance in Xero.